Liberty Mutual or Farmers Insurance, two of the biggest names in insurance, but which one truly has your back when it counts? On one side, Liberty Mutual, known for customizable policies. On the other, Farmers Insurance, trusted by millions for years. Let's cut through the commercials and fine print and get straight to what matters most. We'll score both across crucial categories, and by the end you'll see exactly who has the edge. And trust me, the final verdict might just surprise you. Alright, before we get lost in the weeds, here what we're gonna compare. Price and discounts, digital tools, customer service, coverage options, and of course, financial strength and reliability. Yep, all the stuff you actually care about. Ready? Let's dive in. Starting off with price and discounts, first up, Liberty Mutual. So their rates, pretty competitive, especially if you like bundling your home and auto. Plus, they've got this whole suite of multi-policy discounts. The only thing is, the rates aren't immune to increases, especially if you need to file a claim, and some of their digital discounts, yeah, you gotta sign up online to snag those. Now, Farmers Insurance, it's a bit of a different vibe here. Farmers works closely with their local agents to make sure you get the best deal they can find, plus, they've got some cool occupational and professional discounts. And here's the thing, their base rates tend to start higher, and honestly, discounts can really depend on where you live. So who takes this one? Liberty Mutual edges out a win here with more consistently competitive pricing and easier to catch discounts. Let's move on to digital tools and experience. This is where things get interesting. Liberty Mutual? Oh man, they're absolutely killing it. The mobile app is actually solid, easy to use, everything you need is there, and get this, digital insurance cards and instant online quotes for claims. There are some state-specific limitations, but overall, they're really invested in making things simple online. Now, Farmers, they do have online claims and a user portal, but the app feels a bit old school, and in a lot of places, they still rely pretty heavily on the local agent. It's not terrible, but if you want to do everything on your phone, it can feel, I dunno, kind of stuck in 2010. So yeah, Liberty is the obvious winner for the tech heads among us. Alright, now on to customer service. Liberty Mutual definitely covers the basics, 24/7 claims support, live chat, all that, but the reviews. They're a little all over the place, some folks rave, others not so much, especially about claims. Meanwhile, Farmers goes all in on the personal touch. They've got dedicated local agents, and you're getting real advice from someone you'll probably meet face to face, which is honestly kind of rare these days. Every now and then there's a bit of a delay, especially if you're out in the boonies, but for most people, it feels like you're actually being looked after by a human. Farmers wins this round, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Farmers actually wrote the very first car insurance policy in California way back in 1928. Just a little history nugget for you while you're deciding. Let's talk coverage options. Liberty Mutual offers a super broad lineup, auto, home, renters, you name it, and you can tweak packages to fit your life. If you want specialty coverage though, there are companies that go a bit deeper. On the other hand, Farmers, true to their roots, covers all the basics and goes a step further with classic car, umbrella, even pet insurance. And if you've got a farm or ranch, this is kinda their thing. Less flexibility in the techie stuff, but some truly unique offerings. It's honestly a tie, both have solid strengths, just in slightly different areas. Now last up, financial strength and reliability. Both Liberty Mutual and Farmers have Embesta ratings, and that's a big deal. Both are old, established companies, but Farmers has the legacy factor, being around for over 90 years. Neither has major red flags here, so you're safe with either one. Let's call this a tie too. If you pop open a side-by-side comparison, you'll see Liberty Mutual really shines on price and digital experience, while Farmers pulls ahead with that personal service and some specialized coverage. Both are totally reliable, but the strengths are pretty clear depending on what you care about most. So here's my take. If you're tech-savvy, love managing stuff on your phone, and want the easiest discounts, Liberty Mutual is kind of a no-brainer. But if you want that old-school, friendly local agent who actually knows your name, and maybe even your dog's name, Farmers will absolutely make you feel taken care of. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for hanging out today. See you in the next comparison.